Welcome to the HR session. Today I am going to discuss about the three levels of analysis of organization behavior. Along with that, one case study which will help you to understand the whole session. So now, as in the previous session, I had discussed with you about the individual activity, new skills, systematic review, and how it concludes. And along with that, I had a discussion with you about the science of the organization behavior. So, in this, I am going to discuss with you the levels of analysis of organization behavior model. So, three levels are there. We have individual level, from individual level to group level to organization level. The individual level, from individual level to group level to organization level. Individual level of the organization, that is where the analysis of the organization behavior model begin with how the individual factors or the how the individual functions within an organization, how the individual functions, how they perform at the individual level. Here we describe how the organization behavior and the managers concerned with individual perception, attitude, personality, value, motivation, and the emotions, right? So it draws heavily upon the field of psychology. From as the organization is frame up from the individuals to group, then the number of individuals they join together, or group of individuals they join together, they form a group, and the groups they perform the task in the departments, and then when the different departments they merge together towards the organization goal, that becomes the organization. Then is the group level of analysis. The group level is at the group level of analysis where we explain how the people they communicate with each other, they coordinate with each other in the group works, in the work groups, in teams, and how this involves the study of the group dynamics, inter group, right, conflicts, cohesiveness, and leadership, power, group decision making, interpersonal communication, the rules. Okay, so this primarily is basically what I can say. It's a field of sociology and social psychology. Then it leads to the organization level of analysis. The organization level of analysis is basically the organizational level is the organization as a whole. It is related to the organization as a whole, and it involves the study of topic such as the organization climate, organization structure, cultural diversity, cooperation, conflict, change, or you can say the external uh, environmental forces. So at this level of the analysis, the organization behavior draws largely upon the anthropology and the political science. Okay, so at different levels the different field of the psychologies are introduced. So where uh, the different interdisciplinary influences the organization discipline, as I had already discussed with you in proper detail, okay, in the previous sessions. Now let me discuss with you one case study. The case study is of the Dabbawala story. I hope many of you know that Dabbawala story means the tiffin career of Mumbai, India. That is the inspiring successful story for the many top business schools of the world. They have one of the best quality record for the delivery organizations, including your FedEx. In this trademark, white shirts, pajama, Gandhi cap, the Dabbawala of the Mumbai are an unparalleled service that has attracted the attention of not only the Forbes magazines but also the environmentalists around the world, including the Prince Charles of Britain. Now they are well known for their principle of discipline, dedication, highly respected for their service quality. So the dabba wala means the person of box, lunch box, tiffin box, and who is someone who delivers home cooked lunch to the office goers and to the businessmen in Mumbai. Very nominal monthly fees, just 2000 to 4000, okay, per month only. And here there are the estimates 5000 dabbawalas in Mumbai, most of whom are illiterate, they are poor, and they are the shareholders in the Nutan Mumbai. Now, Tiffin Box Supply Trust, which has a turnover of nearly 450 million, and 450 million, or that is approximately 11.25 million per annum. The Dabbawalas, they have never gone on strike, and they said that in 2003, when they allotted just to 20 minutes to have gone on strike, and it is said that in 2003 they allotted just 20 minutes to Prince Charles of England, so their fan, to meet them so that their customers would not face any sort of inconvenience. So their excellence, teamwork, time management system featured basically in this case study. And the Harvard Review, Business Review also explained these features, and the business model too. They present their business model, and which leads to the business schools in India, where the various corporate houses like Tata, your Coca-Cola, your Reliance Industries, so more than 1,75,000 or 2 lakh lunch boxes get moved every day by dabbawalas for an extremely small nominal money with utmost punctuality. According to the recent survey, there is only one mistake in every 60 lakh deliveries. Can you imagine? 60 lakh. And again, in this delivery is only one mistake. Now dabbawalas, they have the unique color coding system they put in the boxes. The ancestrals started by first using the colored threads, and then they switched to pieces of clothes, and now they use the oil paint symbol. So they do not use any computer, any technology. Okay, so whereas when we came across, they in the words of your Medj, this Raghunath Medj, the president of the Nutan Mumbai Tiffin Box Service Supply Charity Trust, where our computer is our head and our Gandhi cap is the computer cover to protect it from the sun, from the rain. So the main reason for their popularity of the dabbawala could be Indian style, not Western style or fast food outlets. So their love for the homemade food and is also that popularity reason or their USP. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand that what is this case study and how they are using the management techniques, the discipline, and the another ways or Six Sigma way to utilize in their this business and to make it most popular. So thank you for listening, and keep listening, and please subscribe my channel though who haven't subscribed. Thank you for listening me.